Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how you can fix Valorant error code VAN81. So make sure that you stay at the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or the information that I am going to show in this video. So first, what is VAN81 error code in the Valorant? So the VAN81 error code means that the Valorant has encountered connection error. And most likely, it is an issue with Vanguard that is affecting your ability to connect to Valorant, since Vanguard working properly is a prerequisite to being able to connect to your game. So what to do when you get the 181 error code in Valorant? So here are the simple steps for solving the error. So first, what you can do is to restart PC and the Riot client. So restarting your PC should restart the Riot client as well. And while this seems like a very basic option or solution, it serves as a refresh for connection to both the Vanguard program and the Valorant. And the next, what you can do is to reinstall both Valorant and Vanguard. So if restarts aren't working, you'll have to take more drastic measures and reinstall both Valorant game and the Vanguard anti-cheat program. And to do so, go to the add or remove programs, and from the settings menu, and then search for the Valorant, and then just simply hit uninstall. Then do the same for the Riot Vanguard. And if you still have the Riot client installed, reopen the client and go to all games and sections on the main menu, and then select Valorant and hit the install button. And this should reinstall both the game and the Vanguard client. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.